प्रॉब्लम ये था कि स्किन रैशेस का प्रॉब्लम था, जो मेरे को कम से कम 6 से 7 मंथ से उन्हें ऐसे मतलब ढूंढा। फिर आपका पेज वो ऑलरेडी फॉलो कर ही रही थी 3 महीने से या 4 महीने से। सो उसने ज्यादा जानकारी ली आपके बारे में, देन वी कॉन्टेक्टेड टू यू। मुझे पूरे स्किन में ऐसे हीचिंग हो रही थी, जिसकी वजह से मैं सो नहीं पा रहा था और बहुत। फिर मैंने ऐसे नॉर्मल डॉक्टर को दिखाया, तो वो बोला कि ऐसा तो कुछ है नहीं, आपको दवाई दिया। तो मैंने 2-3 दिन दवाई लिया। जब तक दवाई लेता था तब तक मुझे ऐसा फील हो नहीं रहा था, बट एक्चुअली जो रेशेस थे वो उधर मार्क्स पड़ते ही थे। आफ्टर दैट मैंने एक स्पेशलिस्ट को दिखाया, जिन्होंने मुझे 1 महीने का कोर्स दिया। उसके बाद उन्होंने बोला कि ये खाली आपको दिमाग के लिए ही दे रहा हूँ, बाकी ये जाएगा नहीं। तो मैंने बोला ठीक है, चलो अभी मुझे थोड़ा अच्छा लग रहा है तो उसके लिए दे दो, क्योंकि एट दैट टाइम मुझे ट्रैवलिंग भी करना था फॉरेन। तो फिर मैंने लिया। तो उसमें भी
ये एलर्जी की मेडिसिन थे मैंगो, एलेग्रा, मॉन्टेगेल उस टाइप का।
Yes.
When I came to you, actually I had multiple issues. I had extreme fatigue, which was like huge. I used to just get up and go back to sleep. It was huge fatigue. I had muscular pain. I used to need massages like twice a week, and I felt that didn't heal the pain. I had acidity over many years, over 10 years. I was asthmatic for 10 years. I needed an inhaler, nebulizer, call it what you may. Delhi pollution got me down. And I was also pre-diabetic. There was diabetes, predisposed in my family. And I had brain fog, I had Hashimoto's, autoimmune, which I came to know by chance. So there was a series of health issues. I had severe allergies.
Yeah, I saw that. Eye allergy and
skin allergies. My God. Yeah. I had a lot of allergies. I mean, so it wasn't one thing. It was amalgam of many things which left me very confused. Ki what is happening to me as a body, in my body, and it affected me mentally. It brought down my confidence level. I had tried allopathy for years. I had tried, and I was kind of, it had kind of closed all doors because I was not getting to the root of issues. It was like ye le lo, but it was, I think,
trying to fix everything basically.
It was like a fixer. It was like a quick fix, but I wasn't, I was not satisfied.
Very frustrated state of mind, very frustrated, because the eczema has just been eating up my life, So there was a lull period after my teenage years, but then it came back 4-5 years ago, and it's just been consuming me night and day. And it's been tough. And the only thing I could do, which, it's possibly a habit that started when the treatment started when I was 3, is go to the dermatologist, get the cortisone creams, apply it. And if it's really bad, they give you some sort of a steroid pill for a week that you have, so that you can basically sleep at night. So yes, that's been the state, and it's affected my moods very significantly. So a lot of irritability, being, short with people, being rude, harsh with people, because you're just irritable all the time, So that's how it's been, yeah. Because as I said, alternate medicine has not worked for me. Neither has allopathic treatment. Because that 2 a.m., 3 a.m. and I'm just not able to do anything, And it used to really irritate me, spoil my mood.
आज मुझे पता चला कि शुगर आने से ऐसा नहीं है कि मेडिसिन लेने से ही वो कम होता है।
नेचुरली भी होता है।
वो खाने से, अपना खाना चेंज करने से भी होता है कम। वो आज मैंने आपके साथ रह के मैंने GI मैप का रिपोर्ट करवाया। उसमें मुझे बहुत सारे प्रॉब्लम्स और दिखे। यस, काफी सारे लाइक लीवर मार्कर्स, फिर इंसुलिन, शुगर, कोलेस्ट्रॉल, ये सब प्रॉब्लम भी आए। तो फिर मैंने मैं तो पहले शॉक ही हो गया। फिर मुझे ये सब ये जितना भी प्रॉब्लम्स देखा, तो मुझे ऐसा लगा कि ओ माय गॉड, ये तो मेरा काफी कुछ बिगड़ा हुआ है। बॉडी अराउंड 80 to 90% बॉडी खराब हो गया था मेरा।
What I really enjoyed about your program is how you explained everything. and the discipline, which kind of you said 100% eliminated. I decided with a mindset that I'm going to trust you guys by the process of elimination. And what I liked about you guys is you explained the reason behind it. You know, there was a logic.
My life 32 years मैंने आज तक ब्रेकफास्ट नहीं खाया था। बहुत कुछ अच्छा चेंजेस मिला, जिसमें अपना कॉन्फिडेंस भी बहुत बढ़ता है और बहुत कुछ अच्छी चीजें बॉडी में अपने आप रिलीज हुआ। मतलब शुगर 9.2 समथिंग था, जिसमें अगर मैं कोई किसी डॉक्टर को दिखाता तो वो मुझे हर रोज की दवाई दे देती था। तो फिर उसका 7, फिर इंसुलिन, लीवर मार्कर्स, ये सब मेरा आउट ऑफ कंट्रोल था। नाउ धीरे धीरे मैं बहुत कंट्रोल।
आपने 10 किलोज भी लूज कर लिया इस पूरे 4 महीने में।
ये कभी नहीं हो रहा था। मैं बहुत टाइम से ट्राई कर रहा था कि यार वेट लॉस करना है, एक अच्छी पर्सनालिटी बनाना है मेरे को, और इम्यूनिटी सिस्टम भी बहुत अच्छा हो गया मेरा।
Differences happen. My memories, come back quite a large extent. It was if it was at the top, like I was at 0, I've come down to 7. I've come up because I have seen the difference of a cleaner gut. In terms, my energy levels have come up. Not used an inhaler. I think that was the biggest breakthrough I've ever had, and which I really need thankful for somebody who's been told they're an asthma patient at 40-45, which they didn't want to believe, to taking 10 years of all these steroids, and now you don't need it. Yeah, you're free from it.
Yeah.
So strength came in my body. My vitamin D3 levels were low. That also came up. So my muscular pains have gone. Yeah. And my even varicose veins improved a lot. My confidence has really come up.
हर किसी चीज में मेडिसिन की जरूरत नहीं होती। खुद का डेडिकेशन दो और अपना खाना थोड़ा ठीक से उसको इम्प्रूव करके खाना खाओ, तो डेफिनेटली आपको मेडिसिन की जरूरत नहीं पड़ेगी। जिस हिसाब से मेरा रिपोर्ट था, उस हिसाब से मेरे को मेडिसिन बिना हो ही नहीं सकता था। और आज मैंने प्रूव भी कर दिया कि खाने से आपने जो ऐसे सजेशन दिया उसको मैं फॉलो करके ये पूरे के पूरे सब रिपोर्ट्स मैंने बहुत अच्छे से कंट्रोल कर दिया, और फंक्शनल न्यूट्रिशन जो बहुत मतलब काम में आया मेरे लिए।
Otherwise, if you're doing something on a very superficial level, you're not going to understand. Told about my quantity reduction. I was always
we
told
don't do that.
Make foods have this, and that was the best part, because for me, I get a lot of weakness if I have to constrict, I enjoyed my meals. ऐसे नहीं था. I loved what I was eating, and I just got used to eating no processed foods and dal, chawal, roti, sabji.
Yeah.
And that's what I love. Quantity was never restricted. But with that, I lost 5 kilos, and I did it. My knees were weak, so it helped my knees. I had a ligament tear, a bad one.
You lost your inflammation weight, basically.
The rewards do come in, but you need to trust the process, and you need to have the courage to make. I would say, abused by me by so much because of our eating habits, or our whole system is not able to take so much of load of whatever, and I feel that that it takes time to bring it down. So trust the process totally, and question why to certain things if you don't understand, because it's only going to motivate. Understand that it is a long process, because many people think I can't give this up, but you need to decide. First they need to decide that what is more important, and they need to improve from where they are. So if you're looking in the right direction, look here.